Come here, Dope. Okay. It's been a couple of days. I've been busy with work. However, we still, excuse me. Don't be a dick. We still are productive in those days, even when I am busy, whether we're working on his crate training or other bits and pieces. So, what I noticed with Duke in the session that I had done with him was his lack of impulse control around balls and things like that. So I don't know whether he's ever been taught how to play properly. Okay, good boy. Yeah, good boy. But we just wrapped some rules and boundaries around it. Yeah, good boy. Oh, goodness. Did you get it? You got it. Ooh. It's not a soccer ball. Well, it kind of is. Yeah, good boy. Loves his playtime. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good dog. Get it. Quick, get it. Quick. Ooh, quick. Loves his playtime. We're just going to wrap some stuff around it just to make sure that he's safe and that he doesn't carry on when I say enough's enough. Is that a bit better? What about that one? Do you like the Kong? He's a good boy. What you got? You got the Kong? You do got the Kong. I can see. But you know what? I've got one better. I also have a Kong. That's right. And my Kong is better than your Kong. But then this Kong is also better than your Kong. Duke. That's okay, you can have a bit of fun with it, that's fine. That's fine, my friend. Yeah, good boy. Do you like the Kong? Pretty good for chewing, isn't it? Yeah, it is. See, he's real fidgety with it. He just doesn't know he's got energy, but he's not sure where that energy should go. So we're going to teach him a few things that he can focus his energy back on me, and I make things happen. They'll move, and then we'll play. Good boy. Yeah, I got one too. I know. Good boy. Duke. Nice, buddy. Sit. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, good boy. Sit. Sit. Yeah. Stolen. Yeah. Good boy, good boy. Oh, goodness. Hiya. Now I got both. Psych. Sit. Down. Sit. Yeah, good boy. Nice job, buddy. So what goes in this dog's favour? He's food motivated and he's also toy motivated. Excellent prey drive. Just needs to learn the rules, hey. Good boy. Come on, back here. Oh, you're going to bring it back to me. That's nice. Good boy. Yeah, nice, buddy. Good. What about this one? Oh, there's elephants upstairs. Is there? Yeah, it's mine. Mr. Slobberoo. Down. Yep. Good. Good job. Good job. Oh. Oh, you're going to lose it. Haha. Go. Good boy. Yeah, good dog. Good. Oh. Sit. Yes. Haha. Good boy. Oh, you get it. Ooh. Quick, you get it. That's my hand. Oh, your targeting sucks. My hand is not the Kong, is it? Is it? Rufus. Rufus Doofus. Out. Sit. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Good job. Yeah, good boy. Out. Down. Yes. Good. Piece of cake. Oh, without coming at me at 100 miles an hour. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yes. Good. Ooh. Nice. That's a big, strong boy. Are you a big, strong boy? You are. Yeah, you are. Coffee mug. What do you reckon? Is it good? He's a good boy. Out. Sit. Sit. Yes. Yaha. Good boy. Good sharing. Yeah, good sharing. You can have it. No problem. It's on a rope, so I can steal it anytime I want. Hey? What do you reckon? Anytime. Oh. Duke. Good. Nice, buddy. Okay. Thanks for that. Thanks for that, Mr. Slobberguts. Good boy. Oh. Out. Yes. Good. Piece of cake. Really simple. And it's bloody hot out there. I think just started to rain, so here's that collar going. It's a bit tight. Hey, you put on a bit of weight since you've been here, haven't you? You stud. Are you a stud? You are. You're a stud muffin. You're a stud muffin. Yeah. Out. Yes. Oh. Oos. You still don't know how big you are, do you? Oh my goodness. Out. Yes. Nice. Oh, there's food in there. Gotcha. Duke. I'm gonna steal it. Oh. Sit. Yes. Oh, we don't want to play with that. Hey. Oh, we found some food, have we? What have you found up there? You hungry? Hungry boy? You want to show everyone how good your crating skills are? Down. No, no. Down. Yes. Good. You're looking good, Big Rig. Hey, put on some kilos. Come on now. Put on some kilos. Hey, back here, you. Yeah, buddy. Haha, lost it. Sit. Nice. Yes. Sit. Yes. Good. Oh, lost it. You're going to lose it. Don't mind me. Am I in your way? Don't mind me. Am I in your way? Am I? Oh. Boy. I don't want the stinky end. Down. Good. Good boy. Good. Yes. Oh, good dog. Oh, you're on the cutting board. All right, you. What do you reckon? Let's make these disappear. We're going to show everyone your exemplary crating skills. Stay there for a sec. All right, let's go. Come on, this way. Back up. Good boy. There you go. You can't eat the plastic bag. Come on, back up. Back. Oh, this is delicious. Gonna be the best day of my life. Oh, I really shouldn't sing. There's a good boy. Ooh, look at all that sweet chicken juice going all over my nice clean floor. Whew. Awesome. Oh, yeah, get some ice. Cool you down. I think it was 35 degrees here today, which wasn't overly pleasant for the dogs, but that's all right. Come winter, it's going to be Rottweiler season. It's pretty delicious, isn't it? That's a good boy. Where's the rest of the crates? All right. Righto, there you go. That's a nice, short and sharp session. Can't even see what that time says. Oh, it's 15 minutes. That's our full session for tonight. We'll continue that tomorrow afternoon at some stage. Until then, see you later.